everybody, and happy Thursday. Alexandra here, and I'm super excited for today's video because we're going to be unboxing and checking out the Too Faced mystery box. And I have to say, this box got here so fast. I mean, so fast. I'm sure those of you guys that follow me on Twitter and Instagram know I just found out about this and got it and told you guys about it a few days ago, and this thing literally popped up on my doorstep yesterday. So I'm really interested to see what's inside here. We've got all kinds more mystery boxes coming all month long, so I can't wait to share those with you guys. And we've got a little bit of tea, or maybe conspiracy tea, or I don't know, maybe the start of an investigation, something along those lines to talk about with Too Faced, but we'll talk about that here in a minute. For now, let's go ahead and get into this box because I know a lot of you guys are just here for that. So I did just cut the tape open, and there she is. It says, "You're so two-faced, love ya boo." Like, that's literally what it says inside the box. I don't know if you guys can see the white "love ya boo" handwriting. All right, so there's my little order form here. And then it says, "Too Faced because you're like really loyal." There's like a little 20% off your next purchase card in here. And that's all I'm seeing. I thought it said on here that I was supposed to get, oh, okay, yeah. So it says a 2019 Cyber Week bounce back card. So I'm guessing that's this. I thought it was supposed to be a sample, but apparently it's a discount card. And then there's this bag right here. It looks like everything is inside this bag. So I will show you guys, this is a really cute, nice bag. It's that vegan leather. I mean, it's really cute. I just have to say, super cute. It's got the little bow at the top, and then of course the little Too Faced tag. So, and this is a nice size makeup bag. All right, so we're gonna set the box down on the floor, unzip. All right, let's see what our first product is. It is a, this is like a travel size, I guess, of the Better Than Sex mascara right here. So you guys have received this, I think, in BoxyCharms and things like that. It's a really good mascara. I'm not gonna like open it, but I will show you for those of you guys that don't know what it looks like. That's what the tube looks like. It's a really good mascara. I really like this mascara for right before I'm gonna apply falsies. So it is my favorite to use for that. I have a full size one down here, right here. I have a full size one. So I am definitely gonna put this in a giveaway, or maybe give it away to somebody for Christmas. So let's see. The next product is this right here, which is a Too Faced Chocolate Gold Soleil Long Wear Gilded Bronzer. And this is in the color Luminous. And I'll show you guys what it looks like right there. There's the color. I think you have to look at it that way. So here's what's really funny about this product. For those of you guys that have been here, you know, I actually just put 2 of these. They were the smaller versions in giveaways that I just did. So that's what the packaging looks like. I'm not going to open this up because I don't want to, you know, like risk messing it up. But this is a really good bronzer. It does have a little bit of a shimmer to it. But what I really like about it is if you have lighter skin, then it works great as a bronzer. But if you have darker skin, it actually works really great as a highlighter because it does have that little bit of a shimmer to it. So this is a really great product. Now, I do have the regular Chocolate Gold Soleil matte bronzer, and I actually use this quite often, as you guys can see right there. It does have a little mirror inside. So the only difference between this one and that one is this one has a little bit of a shimmer to it, and this one is the matte bronzer. So I will put this one in a giveaway, or again, give it to somebody for Christmas. You never know, maybe this whole set might be a giveaway for somebody. You guys know how I am. All right, so the next product is a Too Faced Melted Matte Liquefied Matte Longwear Lipstick. And this is in the color Queen Bee. So let's take a look at what this looks like. All right, so we've received their Melted Matte Lipsticks. This is a product that, oh, it wasn't even screwed all the way. That's a little scary. So I want to show you guys, look at this inside there. Can you guys see that? Like, I'm going to take a picture and show you guys because I know you can like kind of see where it's like frosted right there. But I mean, it looked like, did you guys just see, like that wasn't even closed all the way. So, I mean, maybe it just had to be mixed. Yeah, I don't know. So I'm gonna check the dates and the batch codes on this to see, you know, if this is like an old product or something. So we'll kind of set that one off to the side there, because yeah, we're going to talk about Too Faced here in just a minute. All right, so it looks like the last item in here is the Too Faced Chocolate Bar Eyeshadow Palette, and it is actually made with 100% natural cocoa powder. Now, this is like one of their, you know, best-selling palettes. This palette has been out for quite some time now. It's a favorite for a lot of influencers, a lot of people. I never got the chocolate bar palette. We'll open it up and I'll show you guys what it looks like right there. So I never bought this palette because I have the Sweet Peach palette and, you know, plenty of their other ones. So I never purchased this one. But the one thing I really do like about Too Faced is they include these like little things inside that tell you different eye looks you can make. And they're really helpful, and they actually like break it down to like a step-by-step guide. So if you are new to makeup, this is really, really helpful. And it literally tells you exactly which colors and where to put them, and it's like literally number and color coded, and then it has the actual directions. So it's just a really helpful thing to have. So again, because I never really wanted this palette, it is a good palette, not knocking it by any means, but I have a ton of eyeshadow palettes, and I've got plenty of Too Faced eyeshadow palettes. So I'm going to, again, put this one in a giveaway with the other items, or again, maybe, I don't know. We'll figure out something to do with it. You guys know how I am. So total, all in all, let's just do a recap. So we got the really cute bag here, which is definitely really cute, very, very nice. So I will look up all the prices for these items and put them down here on the bottom of the screen somewhere. So we have the bag, we have the Too Faced Chocolate Bar Palette. I know this normally retails for like $45 or $49. Their palettes are not cheap. All right, and then we have the Chocolate Gold Soleil Bronzer. I know this is pretty pricey too. I want to say $30 something. So I'll put that, you know, I'll look everything up and put it down there. And then we have a small travel size version of the Better Than Sex mascara. And then the Melted Matte Too Faced lipsticks. And I do know that these are normally, I think, like $12, but you can get them at like TJ Maxx and other places for $5 and $6, and sometimes even $2 and $3. So definitely check around, but make sure before you purchase anything to keep your Beauty Keeper app on your phone, and definitely check the batch codes and make sure it's not something expired. Now, talking about batch codes and expired products. So for those of you guys that don't know, the other day I posted a video of a new subscription box called Melanin Bliss. And all in all, it was actually a pretty good box. I mean, there were some products in there that were like, you know, I don't know, like free gift items, or like they came in a set and they were broken apart and sold in the subscription box, which is fine. I didn't have any problems with it. Honestly, for a $25 box, it was very surprising, and it was a really good box. And, you know, I have to say, it was pretty good. But the one thing that I was really surprised that was in there was the Too Faced Born This Way Naturally Radiant Concealer. And it was in the color light medium, and I have it right here in my hands. So after I got done filming, and in between filming the beginning and the end, I looked up the little batch code on this concealer, which is 1117. Okay, and when you look up this batch code, and I cross-checked it with a couple of different batch code checkers, okay, it came up that this product was actually made in 2011 and expired in 2014. Now, here's the issue, is quite a few of you pointed out in the comment section, and as one person kind of went through with me back and forth on Instagram, and we were kind of looking different things up, and I'll put her Instagram page up right here, because I always feel like you should always give credit where credit is deserved, and I don't know why I can't talk right now. I'm sorry. But anyways, so she sent me some pictures off of Too Faced's website, and this product wasn't actually made until 2015, 2016, okay? And that was the original Born This Way, this concealer right here, the Natural Radiant Concealer. So how on God's green earth can this one be expired in 2011, or excuse me, made in 2011 and expired in 2014, when it wasn't put out until 2015, 2016? right? So I know a few people had mentioned, well, they do reuse their batch codes. And yes, some makeup companies do reuse batch codes. But even if they reuse the batch code, it wouldn't say 2011. It would say what the newer batch code is. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know. It's just kind of weird to me. And there's like some issues that I'm having with it. Now, I did reach out to Too Faced because here's my question. And I know even in the Instagram post, and I'll show you guys it right here, it says, Too Faced says in that Instagram post when they first launched this product, they're like, we've been working on this for 2 years, da 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 da. So, you know, is this one of the first ones that they ever worked on and then they like turned around and like sold maybe to TJ Maxx or something like that, and that's how this subscription box got it? We don't really know. So I reached out to the subscription box. I've reached out to Too Faced. I'm waiting to hear back from both of them because I'm really curious to know, like, is Too Faced, you know, selling expired products? Are they selling, obviously, expired products to TJ Maxx, which we do know once something sits on TJ Maxx's shelf for so long, it can be expired. But once it goes from the company to TJ Maxx, it's not supposed to be expired at that point. Now, if it expires after sitting on the shelf for a while, that's a whole nother story. But it's not, you know, when it initially goes from point A to point B, it should not be expired then. So what is the deal? Or did this person get this from a liquidator? I haven't checked this product out fully. It does have all the symbols and signs that says this is a real Too Faced Born This Way concealer. So I don't think this is a fake at all. I just have a lot of questions, you guys. So let me know, what is your theory? Let me know what you think down below. You know, do you think that this is some kind of conspiracy with Too Faced? They're, you know, made these products and then, okay, this was a bad batch, sold it to TJ Maxx. Do you think there's a mistake with all of the batch code checkers? And I will also say that I did reach out to the batch code checkers and they said that they got this information from Too Faced themselves. Again, Too Faced has not responded to me yet about this, and I am going to harp on them a little bit because I definitely want some answers, and I know you guys do too. And I also want to know from the company, the subscription box company, where did they get this product at? You know what I'm saying? So hopefully we get some answers here very, very soon. If you don't know what video I'm talking about or the subscription box, I will link it up above here and then again at the end of the video. But I definitely have some questions, you guys. You know what I'm saying? But again, let me know your thoughts down below because I love hearing your all's opinions on all of this. And, you know, you guys may think of something that I don't think of, or you may know something that I don't know. So again, just let me know what your thoughts are. I love you guys so much, and this is all I have for you guys today. I will tell you, as far as the Too Faced mystery box goes, is it worth it? Yes. If you are trying to build up your makeup collection and you're not looking to spend an arm and a leg, I mean, some of these products are expensive products by themselves. So to turn around and pay $42 plus tax, so I think it was like $45 and some change altogether for all of these products, I definitely think it is totally, totally worth it. But in saying that, if you already have a ton of Too Faced products and you're not trying to build up your collection and, you know, you're worried that you might get a repeat product that you already have in your collection, because here's the deal, guys, they're not going to put in brand new products. They're not going to put in the newest palette. They're going to put stuff that they've had on their shelves for a while that they need to get off their shelves to make room for new product. That's what's going to go into these mystery boxes a lot of the times. So again, if you're trying to build up your makeup collection and you don't own a lot, totally worth it. If you're not and you already have a lot and you want specific items, then I would definitely say it would not be worth it for you. You will have to make that decision and base it on, again, what your makeup situation is. All right, so again, that's all I have for you guys today. I love you so much. Stay tuned. Tomorrow we have another mystery box and we got our clothes. They showed up. I'm super excited to tell you guys what happened with the Facebook, Instagram clothing stores and so much more this month. I love you guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.